Hey, this is Edgar Pachara, Rancho Pachara LLC. Today's date's June 22nd, 2019. We'll be doing a bee removal out of a ceiling there. This will require a cutout. There are the bees there, so I'm hoping they come out this way, like toward the outer and not in. But I'm gonna put a camera in there real quick and see what we got and go from there. So the camera you see going there doesn't have a sound on it, so I'm going to narrate it here. As you can see, the bees are working hard. There's quite a little bit of comb buildup, and it's right on the hole there. So as you can see here, there's a lot of pollen in some of those cells there, and the bees are working really hard on it. So we're going to get started and see what we can do.
What was that?
I think there's a 2x4 right there.
Oh, that's a no bueno. You get stung to the neck there?
Yeah.
There's a lot of them on you. Oh, look what happened to your blade. What did you say?
The blade got bent.
Yeah, I see that. A lot of bees.
Well, that's a big hive.
Is it?
It goes back that way a little ways.
Oh.
Oh, it's been here a while. See that?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so here's what we have so far. Looks like it goes in. Oh no, sorry guys. There's a 2x4 there, so hopefully it only goes into there. There's a bunch of bees hanging out right there. This hive's a little aggressive, not too bad. I went in too deep there and cut, but it happens. So I'm gonna vacuum all these up here. Hopefully the queen's there. If not, we'll see. Homeowner believes the hive's been here about 2 weeks, but I'm gonna guess it's been here longer than that because there's already eggs and eggs hatching. It takes at least 21 days for that to happen. So here with the comb buildup and stuff, they've been here at least over a month. All right, we're almost done. We got about 7 full frames out. They had some capped honey, but not enough to try to harvest. There's a bunch of bees. I don't know how good y'all can see hiding in the corner back there. Trying to get up on the insulation there, but I don't know how we're gonna get those there. There's still a whole bunch hanging out here, so we're just gonna vacuum up what we can, and hopefully that'll be it for this one. All right, so we're back in our hive property. This hive here unfortunately didn't make it. This one I just requeened last month. As you can see, the queen, she's right here. Oh, where's she at? Trying to get her on camera. Having trouble here, sorry guys. She's right. Okay, there she is, right there. So you can see, I don't know if that's coming out, but you can kind of see the yellow mark on her. She died. Looks like wax moth got in here. See, it looks like the bees just kind of died and absconded. This one here is doing really good though. You can see, I don't know if maybe a bunch of the bees came over here, if they have a good queen going or not. Let me check this one here. This one had some. No, it looks like this one's empty too. So, yeah, you know what happens. So, I'm hoping all the bees just kind of moved into this hive here. So, that's what I'm hoping. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna put the bees in this hive here, and hopefully they. All right, so we got it somewhat set up. It's a little bit at an angle, but we can't straighten it out. Even the hive itself is kind of coming over because it's at an angle. Let's see. That's gonna be too much. Yeah, we'll just let it be for now. Hive should hopefully only be here about a week or so. Yeah, let's see if this is gonna fit right in here. Is it? Nope, it's not. All right.
We don't have another box to put on top?
That one right there. I'm gonna take it apart. So we're gonna get the other box ready, and then we'll come back. This one.
You.
All right, so we're back. Yeah, grab those. We're gonna go on ahead and dump these in there, and hopefully we do okay. We shall find out. All right, they're not looking too good. I guess it's a little bit too hot, but hopefully they'll come around. But we shall see. That's the issue with doing bee removals during the summer. It just gets too hot that the bees have a tendency to die off in all this heat. So, yeah, put that on there. And, we'll come back. We'll keep an eye on it. While we're out and about, we stopped by Echo Girl, and we bought some tilapia. And it's actually time to let those out. But I'm gonna clean up the bee yard a little bit since I'm already suited up.
Want me to go let them out?
Hold on, I want to take video of them.
Hey guys, I'm out here and I'm going to be releasing the fish. My dad's over there cleaning out the bee yard bit, so he asked me to come back here and show you guys basically just releasing the fish. So we got the fish inside the bag here, we let them float, get used to the water, and we're basically just going to let them loose now.